Hi there, Titans, and welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today we'll be talking about how you can manually void documents that you've already sent out for sign from Salesforce. Let's get started. So first of all, I want to note that you can also void documents using an automation in Salesforce, as well as if you come over to Limit and Auto Void, you can also automatically void these documents. Here you can void after a certain amount of days, and you can also configure logic in Salesforce to automatically void your documents. Today we're focusing on manual void. If we want to configure the email that the user will receive when they void their document, you head over to emails and this void option, and you can change the email as you would like. I'm going to go ahead and save my document. The last thing you want to take a look at here is under document access, make sure that you have the Salesforce button configured in order to have the ability to void the document. I'm going to head over to dashboard and users, and I want to make sure that my user not only has permission to send out my document for signing, but also has the ability to void my document. I want to click on the void checkbox so that they can have permission to void a document. Now I'll head over to Salesforce, and I'm going to first generate a document for signing. And I should have gotten an email requesting me to sign. Here it is. And if I come in now, you can see my document renders, and I would be able to sign. But imagine that I didn't sign, and in the meantime, a user in Salesforce came by and decided that they did not really mean to send me this document, and really they want to void this document. And you see I have a couple of documents here because I've triggered this document more than once today. But essentially, if I click on void here, it will tell me that my document has been voided. And now if I were to come into that document, it will tell me this document has been voided. Ask document owner about this. I will also receive an email showing me that my document has been voided. And so again, all I need to do to manually void a document is click on the three dots, hover over void, and select the date where the document was sent out so that you can decide which document you would like to void. And that's how it's done.